Imagine creating a cinematic product ad that looks like it costs $10,000 to shoot, but you made it using AI in less than 20 minutes. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral cinematic AI ads that look like high-budget movie scenes but are generated completely with AI. So let's have a sleek matte black smart hydration bottle glowing softly on the floor of a modern gym. As a focus athlete lifts their camera during a tough workout, the built-in LED display shows real-time hydration stats and subtle app notifications show up on her phone nearby. A confident voiceover says, "Are you tired of dehydration during your performance? This bottle keeps track of every sip, remind you when you need to drink, and keep you in the zone all day." And these are smooth transition to an office scenes with the same bottle on a desk, and then a quick shot of hiking with natural sweat and mountain breeze. The benefit text overlays fade in smoothly, electrolyte balance, app connected tracking, zero plastic waste, and the premium motivational music builds to a strong call to action. Upgrade your hydration game today, link in the bio. The whole 20-second ad feels high-end, emotional, and hard to ignore. Let's go with a very interesting prompt, a beautiful mouth-watering movie scene for a high-end collagen protein bar. A top-down flat lay shot on clean marble with hands gracefully tearing open the elegant pouch as rich chocolate and nut textures catch the light. The camera follows the pour into a shaker with fresh berries and steam rising naturally. Then it cuts to a group of happy customers of all ages and background taking their first bite and looking very happy. The voiceover says, "Fuel your day in second with 20 grams of collagen which supports skin, joints, and recovery. No chalky aftertaste." The crunch sounds go perfectly with it. It ends with the logo of the brand and a soft glow. Along with the words "taste the difference, feel the effect." And these are more than just videos, they are machines that turn people into customers. You can find this all hyper-elastic AI ads all over Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube right now. They are quietly beating traditional ads because they seem real, solve real problems on screen, and convert at rates that make old school suits like old fashioned. Most creators and marketers are still wasting time and money on stock footages, editing by hand, or hiring teams to get average results. Smaller group on the other hand is quietly taking over with one tool that handles the whole workflow from idea to export. Wondershare Filmora 15 is the answer. It comes out in 2026 and has everything you need without having to switch apps or learn how to use complicated software. For years I have been making paid ads for brands, and this is the exact system I use now to get ads with a high return on investment faster than ever. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make these cinematic AI ads that really sell. They use products that people really want, like a smart hydration bottle that appeals to busy fitness fans and professionals who want convenience, and a premium collagen protein bar that taps into the huge wellness and recovery market. We will start by coming up with the ideas that grabs people's attention in 3 seconds. Then we write the script and storyboard and make custom visuals that look the same every time, animate them with professional sound and motion, polish each frame, and export campaigns that are ready to go. And this gives you a full repeatable process without any fancy tools or a team. All you need is the smart AI in Filmora 15 to do the hard work. First, let's show the finished ads. There's no better way to show how powerful they are than to see them in action. And that is the exact quality that is making real sales right now. Professional, attention grabbing, and made entirely by AI. Now I will show you step by step how I made both of them in Filmora 15. At wondershare.com/Filmora, you can get the most recent version and start your free trial. A strong script and storyboard are most important things to have because a weak foundation wastes times and kills conversion. Filmora built-in AI copywriting tools which uses advanced models right in the app gets rid of writer's blocks right away. I go to the AI section and type in clear information such as the name of the product and its main features. The target audience: active professionals and fitness lovers between the ages of 25 and 45. The goal: to drive direct sales by showing how easy and effective it is in real life. The tone will be motivational but high-end and cinematic, and the length will be from 15 to 30 seconds, and the style storyboard with specific camera angles and emotional beats. And it will give you a full script with voiceover lines, a detailed shot-by-shot list, catchy headlines, and even description that are ready to go on the platform in just a few seconds. For the smart bottle, I get lines like "stay ahead of dehydration" without thinking about it, along with shots like close-up LED display, pulsing during workout, slow pan to app sync, suggested tasty detail for the protein bar like hand steering pouch with natural crumb fall, and reaction shots that build trust. I fine-tuned the rhythm by using short, benefit-driven phrases that go perfectly with the visuals. That gives the ad an emotional flow that keeps people watching and clicking. This one step has doubled the number of people who are interested in all of my campaigns. Once the storyboard is set, I go right to making the custom graphics that give the ad a high-end, one-of-a-kind feel. No mismatched styles, no stock libraries, go to stock media and then AI image. There's the super fast Nano Banana Pro models, give you sharp, high-resolution assets up to 4K with amazing consistency. I always use a picture of a hero as my starting point. The prompt for the smart water bottle says cinematic studio shot of a sleek matte black smart hydration bottle with glowing LED hydration tracker placed on gym equipment with subtle sweat droplets. Premium commercial product photography, clean directional lighting, ultra detailed textures. Then I use the hero to make supporting shots that are always the same. Athletic woman in workout gear sipping naturally during run, realistic motion blur, motivational atmosphere, or office professional at decks with phone showing app reminder next to bottle. Soft natural window light for the protein bar. The prompts focus on making the food look real enough to make you hungry. Top-down cinematic flat lay of premium collagen protein bar pouch or marble with stackered berries and nuts, warm appearing lighting, hyper detailed commercial food photography, and diverse satisfied adults biting the bar with expression of pure enjoyment, soft bouquet background. And there are no exports or problems. All images go straight to my media library, and these custom assets really stand out, which makes them more unique and trustworthy. And this leads to more clicks and conversions. Next come the magic moment, turning those still pictures into moving movie video. With Filmora 15 AI image to video tool, it's easy to do this with the newest models like Google Viewer 3.1 for elastic motion or Sora 2 for creative storytelling. No deadline to deal with and no need for outside editors. I choose my pictures or sequences, go to the AI tools image to video and connect the prompt to the storyboard. For the bottle, make the smart water bottle look like it's being used with the smooth handheld camera movement. A woman lifting and drinking naturally, an LED display that pulses realistically, an app notification overlay that's not too obvious, and natural water flow inside. The clip should be 8 seconds long and have a motivational energy and slight parallax. For the protein bar source, hand gracefully opens the pouch, letting crumbs fall naturally. Then pour the content into the shaker, making a satisfying splash and stream. Finally, switch to a close-up bite with real satisfaction on the faces of the people eating it. Use cinematic slow motion where needed and make sure the textures and lighting looks real. I make small changes or use built-in presets to fine-tune the voiceover. Then I add professional TTS voiceover with a confident, energetic voice that fits the brand tone. The AI automatically makes sure that timing and emotional are in sync. For the best effect, I add AI-generated sound effects like refreshing sips, crisp crunches, or upbeat background music that's Filmora suggests on its own. The Copilot even gives you smart suggestions like increase stream for appetite appeal or add a gentle camera pan for dynamism. And in a few minutes, I have chained clips that sound like they were made in a professional studio. Finally, the polish that makes everything ready to convert. I use AI video enhancer to make my video looks like sharp in 4K, get the colors just right, and cut down on noise. AI smart cutouts make sure that all the edges are clean so that the composites look perfect. AI dynamic caption adds stylish moving text overlays that draw attention to the benefits without taking away from the visuals. The same AI image tool makes high-click thumbnails like Fitness Pro solved by smart bottle results, hydration revolution, and mouth-watering protein bar bite. Collagen that actually tastes good. Exporting is as easy as clicking once. You can choose between 9:16 vertical for social stories and reels and 16:9 for YouTube and Facebook ads, all at the highest resolution. The built-in split feature is let me quickly make SLSB variation with different voices, tones, music beds, or text styles. And this way I can see which ones work best for each product. These ads work because they don't just show the product, they show how it changes people's lives. The smart bottle makes working out and working easier. The protein bar makes you want it right away with movie-like preparation and real reaction. And for the best results, you can use hashtags like smart hydration, AI ads, hashtag protein power, and hashtag wellness journey to post them on the right platform. Then once the sales notifications comes in, Filmora 15 is the real all-in-one powerhouse for 2026. It has everything you need to write, animate, add sound, polish, and publish all in one place. Go to wondershare.com/Filmora to get your free trial and make your first ad that gets people to buy something right away. And if this makes you want to get started, please like, subscribe for more workflows, and leave a comment about the product you want to promote next. And maybe a campaign for your own smart bottle or a series of protein bars. Let's work together to make some real converting chaos. Thanks for watching, and that's it. If you have any questions related WordPress video and regarding Filmora 15, then definitely comment down below.